APC is a place where you're going to come and connect with others that are like-minded. You're going to learn things that you never even knew were out there in the world. It just opens your mind to so many possibilities of the administrative profession. This is the place to be.
You are going to have a blast. You are going to make so many connections. You're going to go back to your job. You're going to feel refreshed. You're going to feel motivated. You're going to bring new tips and tricks, and you're going to want to come back the next year. You're probably going to register as soon as you get back.
When you think about networking, you think about just connecting, but it's more than that. It's really about making those connections and learning from them. And those things that you're learning in real time are so valuable.
I'm the only admin at my company, so coming to the conferences once or twice a year really makes me feel like I'm part of something bigger in terms of my career versus just my company where I'm kind of solo.
When I come here, I feel like I am heard by everyone, and it's easy to get good feedback, encouragement, motivation, because these people have lived the same life that you're living.
It is so phenomenal for administrative assistants because we do not get this level of executive training on a normal basis. So to get all the admins in one place from all walks of life and to be able to share information and to share your thoughts, it's just great camaraderie.
APC community does a really, really good job of getting people in rooms together, and I think they're really starting to add sessions that help people navigate those things.
The presenters are really great, they're high energy, they kind of know what we want, and it seems like most of them have been executive assistants before, which is a key point, I think, in being a good presenter, knowing what the customer is doing so you can give them what they need.
You're not just sitting there listening to somebody and getting a presentation being talked to. You're able to hold a conversation with those folks after their presentations and talk to colleagues and other people throughout the industry here at APC and get their viewpoints on different topics.
Each year that you come, you learn something different because each year the trends in the business world change. So when you come to a conference like this, you're learning from all of your peers in different backgrounds, whether it's corporate, medical, school, regular offices. You learn from what they've learned, so you can take that away and bring it back to your office.
The course offerings were great, and I actually sat down with one of my executives to go through the offerings to see where she felt, would be beneficial for me to bring information back.
What I take away from all APCs are things that I can help other people that I work with. So any new techniques I learn, any new information out there, technology, how to use different things, I take it back to my office, and not only for me, but also to the other administrative assistants that haven't had the opportunity to attend APC.
We are the backbone of most industries, and we need the community.
It's chock full of different resources that you can tap into, even the vendors that I have been looking for that I didn't even know that was out there that have been helpful. And I think that it's a real boost on your resume, a real boost for you professionally, and real boost for your confidence as well, so you can do your job even better.
It will change the way you work, it will change the way your team works, and it will change the way you work with your managers. Just come one time, and after that, you're going to be hooked.
Oh, I will be back. 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. I'm going to be back, and I'm going to bring my staff back as well. So I'm excited. I love APC.